Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're here at the 25th anniversary ITEXPO Tech Super Show in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's February 2024, and it's also the 41st event, and Ryan Ries is with us. He's with Mission Cloud. Ryan, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Fantastic, and it's just a lot of energy and meeting a lot of great people today and just learning about what's new in tech. And for those people who may not know your company, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, absolutely. So Mission Cloud, we're a premier AWS partner, and all we do is work on AWS, right? So AWS really likes its partners. They've got different tiers, and they look at partners to help move clients into AWS for their workloads, right? So we do resell and cost optimization for customers, and we do 24/7 support, and then we do professional services. So the hot item, as everyone is looking at this year, is all Gen AI, right? We're doing tons of Gen AI projects. We've been doing NLP, right, which is the precursor to Gen AI for the last, 3 or 4 years, and so it's pretty exciting to see the explosion on stuff we were already working on.
That's great. So what sorts of projects in the Gen AI space are you guys working on?
Yeah, so we've done a lot of really cool use cases. We probably have, things fall into about 12 categories, right? You've got your pretty basic stuff, which is your chat bots that people are looking at. It's pretty interesting. A lot of companies have call centers or tier 1 support. In the past, people would go and ask them a question. If they didn't know the answer, they'd go to Google, right? And so companies are trying to make it a lot better, right? I mean, think about that. Like you call a company and they go to Google to give you an answer. It's kind of ridiculous. So you're seeing them build out their tier 1 support using a Gen AI bot to give a better answer. We've done a lot of cool stuff in media and entertainment with content localization. We've got several customers out there that are looking at how do I increase my flow, right? How do I take my English documentaries and whatnot and push them across the world? So we've done that in AWS. And then, there's all kinds of stuff, right? Creative stuff. We've worked with customers building out image generation stuff or marketing newsletters. Everyone's trying to figure out how can I make things more efficient, right? That's really the name of the game in Gen AI, is all about efficiency and improving workflows and just making your staff be more productive. It's really cool to see everything that's going on.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So many different use cases. So it sounds like virtually anyone who's watching this could be a potential customer. Excuse me, how do they know if they should contact you, that you might be able to help them?
Yeah, absolutely. Anybody that's thinking about Gen AI or tried to do robotic process automation in the past or anything like that and wants to learn about what the art of the possible is, they should feel free to reach out. We can walk them through their use cases, tell them what can be done, what can't be done, right? There's a lot of misconceptions out there about large language models, and we're here to demystify it and help them on their path.
Great. Is there any news out of the company that we should be aware of?
Not really. I mean, we're just going with what we've been doing, just continuing to really push on Gen AI for customers this year. We've got about 50 different use cases we've been building out over the last couple of months. And so, if you need an expert in Gen AI, we're here for you.
All right, thanks for being here.
Absolutely. It's good talking with you today.